Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be doing a very quick and simple Dollar Tree farmhouse decor. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Other than that, thank you all for watching and have a blessed day.